it going? My name is Hayden, and welcome to our section office. I'm going to walk you guys through how to update your PGA of America job preferences on pga.org. So why don't you guys come around here real quick and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so once you get into pga.org and once you get logged in and everything, all you're going to do is go to this top part of the page and click on job preferences. So this will open up the main job preferences page, and you'll go through all these different options that talk about what you want in a job, what you don't want in a job. I've actually already gone through and updated them myself because it only takes about 5 minutes. So for example, if I wanted to look for a job in Colorado and I wanted to click add to that list of places, it'll automatically save those changes. So you don't have to worry about clicking save, or you don't have to worry about going back and forth between pages. Everything automatically updates between all of these preferences. So once you have all of your preferences where you want them, you're going to go back to the main PGA page. And so that'll take you back to your profile, and you'll see here at the bottom of the page all these recommended jobs start popping up based on your job preferences. So you can see what the job is, where the job is, when it was posted, and you can even click in on the details of those jobs as well. Lastly, once you guys update your job preferences, you're going to start getting emails from PGA of America talking about those jobs that are also posted, the same jobs that you see on pga.org. So you'll get the same amount of information just in your inbox as well. This just helps kind of keep everyone updated as to what's going on with their job preferences. And so yeah, that's all you have to do. It's very, very simple. It only takes about 5 minutes to update those preferences. If you guys have any questions at all, just give us a shout here at the office, and we'll be happy to help. We'll see you soon. I guess this is where all the magic happens every single day here at the section office. That's all for now. I hate it, but okay. Hey, how's it going? Welcome.
I didn't get the.
Okay.
I did zoomed in again.
You're gonna start get 2 gig. Oh my gosh.